Hey IT pros, today I'm going to answer the question, how do I install the Active Directory PowerShell module on Windows 11? Now, being a PowerShell guy, I'm going to do this in code. So I want to introduce you to some PowerShell commandlets. Now, these are the ones that end in the noun Windows compatibility. I've got an add, a get, and remove. So we're going to run the get Windows compatibility command. And we're going to have a name of RSAT wildcard. And it's going to take a look at the current online version of Windows. Now, there's a lot of potential options we have here, and the names here are going to be a little bit hard to utilize because they include these version numbers in them. Now, just to prove to you all that I currently do not have the Active Directory module installed on this machine, you can see it could not list it. Now let's address that whole name thing. Scrolling through that list, I found RSAT Active Directory Domain Services and Lightweight Directory Services tools. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go through that list of Windows compatibility options. I'm going to find that particular RSAT module, and I'm going to pull from it just the name to try and make my typing just a little bit easier. Again, that was a pretty cryptic name. All right, so let's see what we stored in the variable feature name. There's the name that we're going to be using, so I'm going to do an add Windows compatibility. The online parameter says the current installed version of Windows, and the name, of course, is going to be that feature. Now, this is going to take a few minutes. There's our results. Online true, restart needed, false. Now let's verify. So I'm checking the optional features. I can see RSAT for Active Directory Domain Services and Lightweight Directory Services. This remote server administrator tool is what contains the Active Directory PowerShell module. I can also see it had a dependency service of Server Manager, and that was also installed. Let's go ahead and check, and there it is. The Active Directory module for PowerShell has been installed. Thank you for watching. In tomorrow's episode, I'm going to answer the question, do you need to use quotations with strings in PowerShell? Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you tomorrow.